Good morning. This is the Global Stock Investor Show. Welcome, global investors. Today, I'll be going over the 3D printing sector, part two. This is the last part. Tomorrow, I'll be going over global banks. So that should be interesting. So I'll start that off tomorrow, global banks. Um, as of now, before I jump into the five 3D printing companies I'm going to give you guys, um, pretty much, as you can see, finally. Oh, yes. Wow. It's been, as you can see, since the 21st of December. Um, it's been pretty much heavy on me, but, finally, um, the grass is greener. So I'm up finally, man. 0.44 is just a different, it's funny how it really affects you. Even though, even in the down market, it affected me, but it's kind of like, okay, it's, the cycles of the economy, not like, not like stressful where, oh shit, I got to start selling shit, start selling my companies and, panicking and whatnot. That was just pretty much my first, um, bear market ride, I should say. So, heavy and pretty much, you know, finally out of it. So we'll see how where it goes from there. I'm currently, as I scroll down, I'm currently 70 global companies. So as you can see, my stocks range from 1,000 all the way down to $1. So those are pretty much, and I buy one share. I'm pretty much developing my template. Um, when I get my when I get 500, then I start doubling it up. Um, so this is pretty much all the companies I own 70, and it's all the way goes down to the dollar. So as you can see, so interesting. So I'm happy finally out of the red. So let's jump into it. 3D printing sector. The first company is ExOne. Let's look at the 5 year. As you can see, the peak was back in 2004 with $57. Pretty much is baselining since then. Market price about $8. About the ExOne company engages in the development, manufacture, and marketing of 3D printing machines. It offers 3D printing solutions to industrial customers in the aerospace, automotive, heavy equipment, energy, and oil and gas industries. The company was founded in 2005 and is headquartered in North Huntingdon, Pennsylvania. The current CEO is Stephen Kent Rockwell. Employees 302. Headquarters North Huntingdon, Pennsylvania. Founded in 2005. Market cap 121.26 million. Dividend yield 0. That's the first 3D printing company. The second 3D printing company is Kodak, old company. Let's go to the 5 year. As you can see, the peak. Uh, it peaked at $33 back in 2014, pretty much in a bear market. Market price $3. About Eastman Kodak company engages in the provision of analog and digital innovations. It operates through the following segments: print systems, enterprise inkjet systems, flexographic packaging, software and solutions, consumer and film, advanced materials and 3D printing technology, Eastman Business Park, and all other. The print system segment comprises of pre-press and electrophotographic printing solutions. The enterprise inkjet system segment includes Prosper and Versamark business. The flexographic packaging segment offers packaging line of business. The software and solution segment consists of unified workflow and Kodak technology solutions. The consumer and film segment includes industrial film and chemicals, motion picture, and consumer products. The advanced materials and 3D printing technology segment offers Kodak research laboratories and associated business opportunities and intellectual property licensing. The Eastman Business Park segment includes the operation of the Eastman Business Park, an acre technology center and industrial complex. The all other segment composes Red Utilities Variable Interest Entity. The company was founded by George Eastman in 1888 and is headquartered in Rochester, New York. The current CEO is Jeff J. Clarkey. Employees 5,800. Headquarters Rochester, New York. Founded in 1880. So, market cap 131.009 million. Dividend yield 0. That's the second 3D printing company. The third 3D printing company is Voxeljet. So let's look at Voxeljet. As you can see, the peak back in 2014 was $40. Pretty much been in a bear market since. Market price $2. About Voxeljet AG engages in the provision of 3D dimensional printers and provides parts services to industrial and commercial customers. It operates through the following segments: systems and services. The systems segment focuses on sale, production, and development of 3D printers and provides consumables including particulate materials and proprietary chemical binding agents, maintenance contracts, and spare parts. The services segment prints on demand parts and creates parts, molds, cores, and models based on designs produced using 3D computer aided design software. The company was founded on July 2nd, 2013, and is headquartered in Freiburg, Germany. Before I get into that, I was stationed in Freiburg, Germany. There's a army base called Ray Barracks. I was there from 1998 to 2001, right after the 9/11. So I came back. I got stationed in Fort Jackson, South Carolina. So Freiburg, Germany, my stomping grounds. Ray Barracks, Bad Neuheim. Elvis Presley, he actually went to that same base also. It's right outside of Frankfurt. Great times, great times. Oh my gosh, man, beautiful women. Um, I remember there's this Portuguese chick. Oh man, golly, wow. Um, good times. That's all I gotta say. Good Germany, Europe to me. Wow, I wouldn't mind retiring there. To be honest, it's just beautiful. Compared to the U.S., it's just more. It's more cultural, more historic in that field. The current CEO is Ingo Rudolph Ediger. Employees not listed. Headquarters Freiburg, Germany. Founded in 2013. Market cap 39.06 million. Dividend yield 0. Okay, that's the third 3D printing company. The fourth 3D printing company is Nano Dimensions. Let's go to the 5 year. Pretty fairly new company, as you can see the line right here. It peaked right when it opened, so let's look at it. About $8. Currently in the bear market. Market price $1. About Nano Dimension Ltd. engages in the development, manufacture, and commercialization of proprietary 3D printers and inks. Its products consist of two main product lines: Dragonfly 2020 3D printer and proprietary ink products. The company was founded in 2012 and is headquartered in Nes Zayona, Israel. Global Stock Investing, another one. Current CEO is Amit Dur. Employees 94. Headquarters Nes Zayona, Israel. Founded in 2012. Market cap 24.13 million. Dividend yield 0. That's the third. That's the fourth 3D printing company. Last but not least is Arc Wireless Solutions. Okay, let's look at the 5 year. It peaked back in 2014, around $24. Currently in the bear market. Market price about $1. About ARC Group Worldwide Incorporated engages in the development and provision of wireless network component and solutions. It operates through the following segments: precision components, stamping, and 3DMT. The precision components group segment produces fabricated metal components through metal injection molding, precision metal stamping, and hermetic sealing. The stamping group segment consists of precision metal stamping operations. The 3DMT group segment refers to the metal 3D printing and additive manufacturing operations of 3D Material Technologies, LLC. The company was founded on September 30th, 1987, and is headquartered in DeLand, Florida. The current CEO is Alan Grant Quasha. Employees 530. Headquarters DeLand, Florida. Founded in 1987. Market cap 23.35 million. Dividend yield 0. And there you have it. This will close out the 3D printing sector. Those are the 5 companies that I presented to you guys today. The total investment for these 5 3D printing companies comes out to $14.85. In conclusion, I'm going to go over the companies and go over the dividend yields. ExOne, dividend yield, no dividend, 0. Kodak, dividend yield, 0. Voxeljet, dividend yield, 0. Nano Dimension, dividend, 0. Arc Wireless Solution, dividend yield, 0. So pretty much today there was no dividend yields within any companies. So for those that like dividends, so there you have it. Subscribe to the channel. Comment any questions or recommendations you have. Like if the content was inspiring for you, and share this information with other global stock investors. While you're slaying dragons, I'll be taming them.